Hey, Unit 4, we're over halfway. Let's see what's going on in Unit 4. We're going to first of all talk about rational expressions, and we need to take the quiz first. Oh, there's only 9 questions in the quiz. Rational expressions are hard for 2 reasons. First, students struggle with fractions. Second, each expression has several steps, and a mistake at any step makes the problem wrong. What can you do? First of all, be careful, and second, get help if you need it. There are 35 lessons harder than this one. The average time is 41 minutes. All right, here we go. Find all the numbers that are not in the domain of the function. Remember that for this to be a true fraction, we need to have the denominator 8z plus 7 does not equal 0. Or subtract 7 from each side. You have 8z does not equal negative 7. Divide both sides by 8. Z does not equal negative 7/8. So we go from, oops, where'd it go? We go from negative infinity, where's our, oops. We go from negative infinity to negative 7/8, and from negative 7/8 to positive infinity. Oops, we only need one. And we need to put a symbol between them, the or symbol between them. Where's the or symbol? There it is. Oops. Oh, it doesn't want, it just wants the numbers that are excluded. It doesn't want interval notation. I should have read the question carefully. So the only one number that's not included is negative 7/8. The domain of the function is the set z such that z does not equal negative 7/8. Check answer. All right. Number 3. Write the rational expression in lowest terms. Okay. The x minus 4's cancel, and so you're left with x minus 8 over x plus 8. Fraction. Parentheses x minus 8 over parentheses x plus 8. Close parentheses. Number 4. We got to factor these. Now what's nice is that if they are factorable, let's do the denominator down here. 2t minus 4. We can divide everything by 2, and we're left with t minus 2. The numerator, let's do up here, t squared minus 4, and its factors are t minus 2, t plus 2. So the t minus 2's cancel, and we're left with t plus 2 over 2. Fraction, parentheses, t plus 2 over 2. Number 5, another factoring problem. This is why factoring is so important when you get to this chapter. Let's factor the numerator up here. Z squared minus 5z plus 4 factors into z minus 4, z minus 1. The denominator, let's do down here, z squared plus 3z minus 28 factors into z minus 4, z plus 7. Now, in order for me to know that it was z minus 4, I looked and I saw that there was a z minus 4 in the numerator. So my answer is z minus 1 over z plus 7. Fraction, parentheses, z minus 1 over z plus 7. Number 6, multiply. Okay, when we see this multiply, we can do some reducing or simplifying of the fractions first. This y goes with one of these y's to leave just 3 of them up there. The 3 goes against the 9 to just leave a 3 up there. All of these x's go with all but 2 of these x's, and so we're left with 3y cubed over x squared. Fraction, 3y cubed over x squared. Number 7. Okay. Let's see here. All right, let's rate the problem first. 5a to the 4th b to the 4th over 4a squared b times, I'm going to take the reciprocal right away, a to the 8th b cubed over 25 a to the 5th b. All right, 25 goes into 30. Each one of them is divisible by 5. This 5 goes against this 5. 6 goes against 4 for a 3 and a 2. All right, we have a to the 12th on top and a to the 7th on the bottom, leaves us with a to the 5th on the top. We have b to the 7th on the top, b to the 2nd on the bottom, leaves us with a b to the 5th on the top. Over 2. So it's 3a to the 5th, b to the 5th over 2. 3a to the 5th, b to the 5th over 2. Number 8. Must have lost my connection. Let's try it again. Number 8. It'll be back in just a second. Nope, it wasn't back in just a second. It left altogether. We'll get there. The nice thing is that my math lab always gets you back to the spot where you were, because it saves the spot. What are we on? 7-1, right? Number 8. Okay. All right, what I would do is I would simplify right here by crossing off all the common things, and we're left to w plus 9 over w plus 2. Nope, w minus 2, I'm sorry. All right, number 9. A multiplication, the top on the left factors into z minus 8, z plus 8, 12z, 2 over 8 minus z. Now the difference between this one and this one is that if we put a negative sign here, that'll make it z minus 8, and now we can cancel that. 12 and 2 cancel for a 6 on the bottom. And so we're left with z plus 8 over 6, and put a negative sign out front. Negative z plus 8 over 6. Copy it first, 16r plus 2 over r times, I'm going to take the reciprocal right away, 3r cubed over 8r plus 1. Factor this, take out a 2, and you're left with r plus 8r plus 1. This is r squared when this is simplified. So you're left with 2r squared. Last one, another division problem. Note multiplication. X squared minus 11x plus 30 over x squared minus x minus 20 times x squared minus 16 over x squared minus 36. I'm going to factor these two first, and I'm going to show you why. X minus 6, x plus 6, x minus 4, x plus 4. And the reason for that is I have a hunch that this is going to have a factor of x something 4. Well, 4 times 5 is 20. X something 5 minus 5 plus 4. So that takes care of that one. I have a hunch this is going to be x minus 5, x minus 6, because it's minus 11. What two numbers multiplied equal 11, or equal 30, added equal negative 11. So this one simplifies, and this one simplifies, and we're left with x minus 4 over x plus 6. Plus 6, was it? All right, and that's it.